5分钟来做一个秋天的房子。
Hello everyone, welcome to Monster Art TV.
大家好，欢迎观看我们的视频。今天我来教你们用5分钟来做一个秋天的房子。
Yeah, we're gonna show you how to make a beautiful house with a big autumn tree in only 5 minutes or less. Very quick, very beautiful.
对，非常快的。你们是不是很期待啊？那我们赶快来做一做吧。Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's go!
To do our houses, we're gonna first with black marker. We're gonna do carefully. We're gonna do the roof. Yeah, a little bit thick. Then we're gonna make lines here. These are different levels.
What's all go up? I think it's go down.
Yeah, they go down. See, then here, we're gonna make another little roof. Smaller than the first one we made before. Okay, then we're gonna make lines to join the roof and the walls.
Okay. But let me just put it like this more real. Eh? Like this. Little roof.
Then we're gonna make little windows here. Okay? These are our Chinese traditional houses from another window here. And here I'm gonna make another wall. Then we have our Chinese traditional house. Then we're gonna take acrylic color.
I think you need to be faster because then it's gonna dry.
Yeah, acrylics dry quite fast. But
那是秋天的叶子。
yeah, so we're gonna mix orange.
This is orange or this is
Yeah,
red?
this is red, but we're gonna mix with yellow. And we're gonna make orange. You know the plastic that we use to wrap the fruits in the store?
Yeah， 我们会拿在水果店里有的就是来装水果的，这个
It's like a little net.
像一个网。
So we're gonna roll it, break it on the side. And we're gonna make a little roll. Okay, roll it. Then we're gonna use the tip. Then we're gonna dip the tip on the paint. See? And then we're gonna tap. Carefully, we're gonna tap on top.
Beautiful.
Carefully and slowly, okay? Mix the colors.
小
You can
心
use some of this too, okay?
小心一点，不要把这
You can use some of this
放这房子里面喽。
to make it more interesting.
I like mine.
We share the colors.
靠近屋顶一点点。哟，
This is
差一点，吓
because
死
this is
分
the
宝宝了，
autumn season.
吓死我。
This is so beautiful. We're gonna do the same at the bottom here. We're gonna have a little garden. These are bushes. Okay, now we're gonna let it dry. Okay, now that we have our paintings ready, dry, we're gonna do what?
我们要画树枝。
Branches. So we can use black or brown. And look at what I'm gonna do first. Look at me. Because this is a very, how do you call it? Tree. Because it's a very bushy tree. Look at this. Look at this. Look at me first, okay? Gonna do with black. Look. A little bit branch here, here.
My branch is beautiful.
Of course. That's very good, yeah. Here. Another tree here. And there you have it. I'm gonna take a little bit of gray. And we're gonna do like the wall. Look at me first. Look at me first and then you do. See? The wall is a little bit broken here, right? Just a little bit. The paint is peeling off. Then I'm gonna use this brown. Bricks! Because the wall is peeling off, it's showing some bricks.
Yeah.
We can do with brown and red.
Like this?
You can put a little bit of red.
Can you look at me?
Yes.
The color you have this?
Use this one.
Real.
Like this. Look at this.
Oh. Ooh. More real.
More real, right? See that? Let me see yours. Very nice. Our beautiful houses.
网友们，你们觉得怎么样 ？And look, this is our houses.
This is our traditional Chinese houses, our traditional neighborhoods, right?
对，
With the autumn trees, branches, and some part of the houses are peeling off.
那这个十分的简单，你们也赶快来做一做吧！记得点赞加关注哦。
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.